beautiful people. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel, subscribers. It is Gifty Paradise. I am your hair extension expert. On this channel, I help you create the look that you have always envisioned. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get a flawless lace frontal installment and beautiful spiral curls on a ombre burgundy wig. To start off, I am doing the bald cap method. I put the bald cap on, or the stocking cap on. The color I like to use is beige. Then I like to take my own foundation color and add it onto the cap to make it match my skin. After that, I put some little glue in the front. Let the glue simmer down so that the glue attaches the cap to my skin. After I put the glue attaching to my skin, I'm going to take the actual layer of glue that I'm going to be using and putting it on my skin, like in front of the bald cap that I created, so that it doesn't touch my hair. I put it literally on my forehead. And the glue that I'm using is not Ghost Bond, it's not got to be, it's none of that. It's my own personal glue. I'm currently testing it out. I really like it. It does, it looks blue, but once it dries, it gives you really strong hold for a long time. And it's also good for people with sensitive skin. Some of my clients have complained in the past about the the Ghost Bond glue. And the Ghost Bond glue sometimes causes bumps and rashes around their hairline and is too strong. So I'm testing out this glue currently to see how I feel about it. I'm using it on my clients as well. So once the glue fully dries, you want to wait till it dries fully, y'all. That's the key point why your lace is not sticking. Some of y'all let the glue not dry fully and put the lace on it and then wrap it up and think that's going to hold. Let the glue dry fully clear, or as clear as possible. So this is what I consider clear right now. I am now going to position the lace on top of the glue. I put it directly where I stopped that glue. Where the glue in my hairline stops, that's where I put my lace directly. Then I'm going to go over the entire hairline, making sure everything is laid and really melted into the glue. Also, there is always going to be little tiny pieces trying to poke up in the front of your hair. You do want to take your time with that, adding little glue under those flaps that are still showing. Like right there, that flap was still showing. I added a little glue, then I took my comb and I pressed it down. Once I did all of that, I put a lace band on, and then I went under the dryer just to wrap it down a little bit. Now we're going to go into the styling of the hair. I'm doing a deep side part on a 24 inches burgundy ombre lace frontal wig from gifty.org. I'm gonna be curling it with spiral curls so that my curls can last a long time. I'm using a spiral curler wand. This curling iron has 3 other barrels that can be attached and taken off, and I will link where I got this curling wand from in the description box. The wig detail will be in the description box as well. This is a custom wig from my company, Gifty.org. Will be on sale for our 15% off Black Friday sale. We're going on sale Black Friday, November 25th at 12 a.m. New custom wigs, never seen items ever. We have bundle deals. Definitely check out Gifty.org. I'm going to link that in the description box as well. So far, this is how the look is going. Deep side part, spiral curls. The lace is a HD frontal, so it just blends into my skin flawlessly. It looks really beautiful. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This look is beautiful. I'm just using some light oil sheen right now, adding it throughout the whole hair to add a little bit of a shine and to make it smell fantastic. Then I'm gonna use a little bit of holding spray. Actually, that spritz I put in that bottle just to, flatten it down even. Ooh, my shit was burning. But I'm use hold little bit of holding spray or spritz just to make my like part more cleaner. Then I'm gonna use a hot comb to press down the roots to make it look more natural and flawless, creating a nice clean scalp effect. So the step-by-steps to really get a bomb installment is: one, you want to start with the flat foundation, that is braiding your hair, putting it back, doing something. Two, depending on if you're doing a long-term hold or a short-term hold, you want to do the bald cap method. Three, you're going to want to use a glue that is good for your skin, that is not gonna make your skin irritated and lasts a long time. The application of the glue is very vital. Make sure you put that glue in front of the hairline and let it dry fully. Then you take the wig and put it on your head using the lace band. The lace band is so crucial in any kind of install. You want to wrap your hair down. Go under a dryer or keep the lace band on for at least 30 minutes to get that melted look. The band is what is going to give you that melted look, okay? Then you proceed to styling your hair, doing your baby hair, and you're good to go. This wig is from gifty.org. This is our 24-inch Peruvian body wave ombre burgundy lace wig. The lace band is also from gifty.org, and this is the finished look, y'all. What do you think? This is my easy step-by-step wig installment. That's how I install almost all my wigs. It takes me about 10 to 30 minutes and I'm out the door. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more. Bye, beautiful people.